Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fly the Voyage Drone full guide. Power on the drone and pair the controller, then inspect props and battery for safety before takeoff. Walk through basic controls, stick inputs, and return to home settings so you feel confident. I'll explain flight modes, obstacle awareness, and a simple pre-flight checklist to prevent common mistakes and protect your drone and footage. Let's cover the basic controls in a relaxed way so you can practice safely. Start with gentle throttle to hover at about 10 to 20 feet and feel how the drone responds. Use the left stick for altitude and rotation, and the right stick for forward, backward, and sideways motion. Practice small, deliberate movements until you can hold a steady hover and translate smoothly without jerking. I'll walk through practical flight techniques that improve safety and capture. Plan your flight path, set return to home altitude above obstacles, and keep an eye on battery percent so you never get caught low. Use GPS for stable cinematic shots and switch to sport for quick maneuvers when confident. Practice gentle turns, slow climbs, and controlled descents to build muscle memory and better footage without unnecessary risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.